Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are going to be doing Patreon Part 6 for August 2025 for D&D Warhammer proxies and figures for your 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. And also check out our Patreon as well. We have 3 anime figures for you guys for $5. Support the channel. The more patrons we get, the more figures, and then we'll be experimenting with Warhammer figures and Warhammer miniatures and D&D miniatures as well. The more people support it, the more money I have to pay for 3D sculptors to make it for us for the long haul for it. Anyhow, let's get started. Note Star art. We have looks like 6 figurines from Marvel, Matrix, Resident Evil. I think she's from Metal Gear. Did I know? That's Green Lantern. I don't know what this one's from. But if you do, let me know down in the comments. Anyone? I'm not gonna scroll down. It's basically like furry figures. Has NSFW on it as a nude. For it, due to the fact that how YouTube algorithm works now, a lot of my like art, I consider this as art more than the other word for it. But YouTube is cracking down on a lot of this stuff, and their algorithm really sucks, especially with the review portion of it. Because I don't think it's actually a live person reviewing it. I think it's just AI in general, and it is what it is for it. Maggie Pie 3D, another figurine as well. I just gotta be careful with this. So we have the zombie girl from Monster Musume in a swimsuit. We also got Black Lagoon coming up. I think those two are it. Yeah, those two. Oh, for September. For August, we have Model Swap from Tenchi. August, we have the Demon Queen, and I forget. It is from Queen Blade Monalia. I never watched it, but I saw clips of it though. Officer Rue, another figure one as well. We already got that done. So we got the Shark Girl. So we have the Shark Girl. Let's see here. Trying to get a lot of other stuff done. But yeah, you got Mai. You also got Flareon. But yeah, they also the NSFW ones as well. Safe chat, same thing. Not gonna screw it. It is what it is. NSFW stuff. You guys can look for it. I probably can get demonetized either way. Agma Studio. We got the welcome pack here. And we got Katagawa Marin. Oh, from Dress Me Up, whatever anime that's called. We got the September votes going through, and we also got fan swap for Yorichi as well. Other one is Tenchi figurine. This is this month. We got Joker to be and Satsuki from Kill la Kill. And this is the next month for September. Remy Sculpt, another figure. I don't know if they have stuff ready for August already. I think they already did. They got this one, Mint Fantomi. I'm guessing that is a VTuber, I believe. I really don't know. We got September down. We also got I forgot this girl's name from Evangelion as well. Yeah, Jailbird collection. Ignar figurine, another figure one as well. As was June, that's July. I don't know if we got August yet. August announcement, Hollow Live, uh, RERB. Do not know who that person is, but if you do, let me know. Salt Sculpt, another figurine. Let's see, August model. We got that VTuber they're making. EN VTuber for August. That'll be the September one as well. Waifu 3D print, another figurine. We getting a lot of figures. Uh, Same problem. Not gonna scroll down. Go check them out. They do a lot of etchy stuff like that. I'm just happy they actually covered it up. I think this one is the August winner for it. But yeah, we got Zelda in a box, like a present. Alice 3D art. Okay, old project, current project, soon. These two are available. Uh, don't know where these are from. The Code Geass. Haven't watched it. Own the Blu-ray because of my wife, and we're waiting for that other guy too from Journey's End. Uh, cat, cast and play. Another miniature for D&D. Oh, we finally got D&D stuff coming along. Okay. Cat folk release. So we got cat wizards. You have a cat druid. A lot of cat folks. Some panther rogues as well. We got cat folk paladins. Lionel as well. That's pretty good. Having a lot of different cat folk. Yeah, giant cat traveling companion cat as your mount. You also got your catfolk monk. This is something I probably would get because we don't have that many like races for monks in many ways. You get your city bases. I think that is it for that one as well. Let's see, there's another D&D one, print and paint, new big boy edition. So we got some orcs. You'll probably use some of these as proxies for your orcs as well. Let me try and see. Yeah, so August I think are ogres. Yeah, these are all ogres for it. If you want to use proxy for Warhammer, for Age of Sigmar, or the Old World. Highland miniature. This is another one. This proxy for mostly the Old World that I know of. It'll be the elves. That'll be for August. So I think this is it. So we got some woodland elves. I think got some archers, swordsmen, and one horseback as well. So yeah, if yeah, freaking old world's like really expensive, uh, especially for a remodeled one. They got some new ones, but it's not that great. Beastarian miniature, another good one as well that I really do enjoy. Um, this time we're gonna be getting Court of Balzar. So this looks like more like Slanesh kind of stuff that I do like. This is very grim dark. I mean like dark like Elden Ring dark. If you have the Elden Ring board game, this is probably a good game to get. We don't need to see that. Uh, that's all of that. Is that the only thing we'll be getting? Bizarre pack. Wow, they changed this crap up. They usually get like three stuff in one. I guess it's just one now. Wow, I'm kind of surprised to see that. Duncan Shadow, another D&D mini as well. I think we got trolls. That's more like a nerd, like a demon. That'd be a pretty good print for a demon prince right there. Add some wings to it. That'll be a pretty cool demon prince. Like mashup. They got some trolls. That looks like the one where the grots are using. And here ogre as well. That looks like the giant from Age of Sigmar. You don't have to pay that much for it. Just got to print it. So we got a dire troll. We got some female squirrels, NPC, dog folk, and so forth. This is probably the last one. Artisan Guild. Looks like we're getting a lot of harpies and elementals for it. Go watch that. This is for D&D as well. You got some dwarven. Let's see here. Pistol with an axe. A pirate. Human monk. looks good too. Pinups. And a crap load of, are these harpies? A cliff harpies. Yeah, they're all harpies. That's actually pretty cool. We don't get that much harpies recently. And this is another version of the harpies with a headdress on it. And your, I think, wind elemental. The storm. Uh, it looks like this is going to be the main boss harpy as well. And your Cthulhu. If you need Cthulhu, get Cthulhu. I think that is it for this one as well. Well, yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.